Okay, so in this problem, we need to investigate the volume. Consider the region bounded by the curve y equal to x squared. So let's say we have a curve. This is y equal to x squared. This is basically the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. And the lines x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Let's say we have x equal to 1 line here and x equal to 2 line is here. Rotate this region about the y-axis to form a solid. Find the volume of this solid using the method of cylindrical shells. Okay, so when we rotate this curve around y-axis, so there, a shape of solid is formed, and we need to find the volume of this curve bounded by these lines x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Okay, so to find the volume of the solid formed by rotating this region bounded by y equal to x squared, and the x-axis and the lines x equal to 1 and x equal to 2 about the y-axis. So the volume is given by, so integral is from 1 to 2 because x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. And then we have 2 pi x into f of x dx. So f of x here is basically the height. So that's the height. If your point is here, so f of x1 is 1. So f of x, this function is basically the height. And what is 2 pi x? 2 pi x is the area of the circle, formed by rotating this y equal to x squared, right? And then this x is a parameter here. So then v is equal to from 1 to 2, 2 pi x. F of x here is this y, which is x squared, d of x. So this is equal to from 1 to 2, 2 pi x squared dx, right? And then we have the volume is equal to, since 2 pi is a constant, so we bring it out, and then integration from 1 to 2 x squared dx. And this is equal to 2 pi. Integration of x squared is x cubed, because you add 1 to the power, so 2 plus 1 is 3, and then you divide the same power, and limits are from 1 to 2. So 2 pi, this is equal to, so when you put 2 here, so this is 2 cubed, which is 8 divided by 3, I guess, minus 1 divided by 3. And this is equal to 2 pi. 8 minus 1 is 7 by 3. So there is a little mistake. This is so x squared into x is x cubed. We have x cubed here. And here we also have x cubed. So when you integrate, that will be, x power 4. And then here we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16 minus 1 by 3, and this is 15 divided by 3. Right? So here we also have 4, 4, and 4. Okay, so this equals to 2 pi into 15 by 4. So which is equal to 15 pi divided by 2. So that's the area which is formed by rotating, sorry, the volume formed by rotating the y equal to x squared. And this the volume between x and x equal to 2, right?